You got stepped on one part on that. Did you say that was main track now, sub, over?
That is correct. Main track now, sub, over.
All right, Amtrak 532 with AMTK 125 North. Understands forming ring, gang 0024 using track bulletin form B number 21116. Dated today's date 2816, line 1 between limits milepost 25.75, milepost 25.0. Main track, now subdivision. AMTK 125 North has your permission to pass your red flag without stopping, located at milepost 25.75. And proceed through your limits at maximum authorized speed on the main track, northbound, sounding bells and whistles, approaching and passing equipment, over.